Hello everyone, welcome to this short demo of our collection system dashboard. In this video, I will give you a quick overview of how to navigate and use this dashboard to explore our sewer system data. On the left side, you will see our logo along with a short description of what this dashboard includes. So this dashboard covers data such as manholes, customers, sewer structure, connection type, pipe materials, installation year, and ownership detail. At the center is our interactive map. Each numbered area represents ward in the city. You can use this map to zoom in and out and view where the sewer structures and lines are located across the city of Little Rock. This displays manholes and sewer lines. If you want to add more data, you can do so by going to layers and by adding more data from here. If you want to go back to the initial view, click on Home button. On the right side, we have two live indicators, sewer structures and sewer lines. This displays the total length of our sewer lines and this displays the total number of sewer structures in our system. Right below, we have total number of connections. That shows we have 71,384 total connection, and also the percentage of different connection type such as residential and commercial. Below the logo, we have sewer line ownership pie chart. This breaks down how many lines are owned by LRWRA or privately owned. At the bottom is a dynamic bar chart. This shows manhole installation year across the time. Each bar represents how many manholes were installed in a specific year, helping us to understand the major infrastructure work occurred. This is also useful for identifying aging infrastructure that may need upgrades. If you zoom the map, then this bar chart will automatically update. If you want to see a specific manhole when this manhole was installed, then you can zoom to this manhole and you can see that this manhole was installed in 1967. If you go to any other area, then it will display in the bar chart. This dashboard was installed in 1973. You can also switch tabs here to explore other things like manhole construction materials, connection in different city, sewer installation time, and the structure types. You can expand this bar chart by clicking on expand button and see the full view. You can also see the pipe materials. But to see the full view, click on expand button. You can also select different wards and see different statistics in each ward. For example, if you go to the board of director and select one, then it selected number 6 ward, and it shows that in 6th ward we have total of 4,640 sewer structures, but and we have 168 miles of sewer lines, and we have total 9,818 total connection. From this dashboard, you can also go to our main website by clicking LRWRA website, and also you can go to acoustic inspection dashboard by clicking here. So this dashboard is designed to provide a transparent, real-time view in the city's sewer system. It helps our team to make better decisions, track progress, and maintain health system. Thank you for watching the demo. If you have any questions or suggestion, please feel free to reach out. Thank you so much.